Wagwan people, spend a couple days with me and the crew on a wild and exciting adventure in Jamaica. You know, we hit spots like Kingston and Ocherios, visiting places like the Cove with the nice clean beach and good food to eat. Of course, we hit places like Pretty Close in the beautiful hills of Gordon Town. We angled some fish over there as well, breadfruit, ackee and saltfish and the works, and had a nice hike up the hill to a magical waterfall. Guys, make sure to check out the full vlog on my channel. Subscribe if you're into Jamaican lifestyle content. Book with Jamaica with Jay for your Jamaica adventure tour. Remember, Jamaica is full of hidden gems, adventure in every corner. Tag someone who needs to find a real Jamaica experience. Be honest, which of these spots are you dying to try first? And tell me, what's a hidden gem in your country that tourists always miss? If you think this clip sweet, then wait till you see what really went down. I'm looking to see your name in the comments, so don't play shy. Head on over now.